Okay, so today we will okay uh, look into the roles only. Okay,
Okay.
and maybe today we will have like around 40 minute session. Okay, because I like
Okay.
little bit of health issue I'm having, so we will have
Oh,
that. Okay. Mm,
okay. Okay. Yeah, no
yeah,
problem.
okay. So so in the next suite to manage the
Mm-hmm.
roles, we will go to the setup, user role.
Mm-hmm.
So first is manage users. In in
Mm.
in this particular window, you can manage users, and in this you can manage roles. Okay.
Okay.
So first we will go to the manage roles.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. So these are the standard roles in the NetSuite.
Okay.
Okay. And where you can see the customize,
Mm-hmm.
these are the standard, and where you can see the edit. So these roles
These are the
can
new
create.
ones.
Yes, these
Permanent.
are the new ones. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Like custom particular customer. Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
And each role uh, are has some center type. Okay. Basically,
Mm-hmm.
center type is you can say a category or basically a parameters on which role a certain role is created.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
there are only two roles which has the wait classic. Yeah, not only two, only one. So administrator role is something which is only created on the center type, classic center.
Oh, okay. I see.
Uh,
Okay.
there is one or more only. Wait, let me check.
So these centers are already created for you, the sales center, accounting
Yes,
center.
yes, 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 yes. These are the standard ones. We
Oh,
can't
okay.
do anything in the center type.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay.
Okay. Mm. Okay. So classic centers are there. Accounting center is there,
Hmm.
and like so for there are some standard roles for each type of categories. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Like for the project manager, there is a project center, and there are some standard roles for these.
Okay.
You can say for the project management role or for the like warehouse manager, vendor
Mm.
center is there. Also for the salesperson.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you can see sales administrator, sales manager,
Sales manager.
salesperson. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And let's say if I sales vice president, if I give myself other role. So role is given from the employee only.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. I see.
You have to edit the employee.
Oh, so we go to the employee and add a role.
Yeah, edit. Yes, we will go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So as you can see, I'm having some roles. I will give a sales person roles also.
Mm.
Have save. Okay. Hmm. So now you can see this salesperson is also visible.
Mm-hmm. Right,
Okay.
right, right.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to the this salesperson role. So I think it is similar to the sales manager only.
Mm-hmm.
So what a salesperson can visible in standard. Okay.
Yeah.
It is leads are there. Okay. Leads report, leads contact, opportunities are there. Okay. And which,
Oh, so
okay.
these
And which,
ribbons change according to your role?
yes, correctly.
Mm, see. Okay, okay.
So this tabs change according to our roles.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And but we can have the like see permissions will be normal only, but
Oh,
but I can have the tabs according to my what you can say as per the administrator role also. Okay. So
mm-hmm.
what we have in the administrator? In the administrator, we see the here list transactions. Okay.
Yes, list transactions, yes.
Then under list transaction, we will see this customers like transactions or opportunities.
Opportunities, yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. But here we are getting the tab here, but under that either we get the list or either we get the transaction and we getting the reports also. So
Oh, okay.
I can change the look here from the
Mm-hmm.
going into the home set
Mm-hmm.
preferences.
Okay.
Okay, set preference in appearance. Use classic interface. So interface will become like classic center.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, only the interface will become like that. But now you can see,
Oh, now it's a it's a regular
yeah, regular. But permissions will be there only related to
sales
salesperson only.
salesperson only. I see.
Yeah,
Oh,
sales or
okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll try this one. I'll try the roles. This,
mm,
yeah. Okay. And just so that I mean we are in sales, so maybe I can ask this question. What's the difference between like a lead and an opportunity?
okay. So basically, lead is basically a system created as an like a master record. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. If I go to lead and relationship lead, okay, new.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So let's, for example, um, I can enter any random mm, lead unqualified or qualified. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
qualified. Mm. And without any other detail, I can parent company. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now my lead is created. Okay.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Now, so this company name, if
Mm-hmm.
I write here,
Mm-hmm.
ABCD Limited, um, so I can view it is not yet converted as customer, but if let's say I created a
Yeah.
sales order or I created an invoice, so
Mm-hmm.
I can see this customer name there.
The one you created as lead, right?
Yes, okay, yeah. But as soon as any transaction related to sales order invoice get created,
Mm.
uh, this will automatically will be converted from sales order to a sorry lead to a customer.
Mm. Right, right, right,
Right,
right.
right, right. So now what are the opportunity? Opportunity is basically the transaction which we can tag with our lead. Okay. Opportunity is
Mm-hmm.
the transaction name. Ports is the transaction. Sales order is the transaction. So opportunity is a transaction. Opportunity like something that uh, like we have an opportunity with the our prospect. Okay.
Right,
Uh,
right.
like the type of service we have to provide. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Type of item we are selling them, and we can also tag the you can say if there is any project related, so we can tag the project also with this particular uh,
Opportunity.
opportunity. Let's say
Mm-hmm.
ABC. Okay, I'm getting this ABCD Limited
Mm-hmm.
under this project,
Yeah.
and we can enter any item and save this opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
And further, we will using the opportunity, we can create the estimate or quote as well.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now coming back to the role, okay. So now this particular role, which is on the sales center type, okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, have some limitations also. Mm,
Okay.
okay. Uh, uh, re all of the reports might not be visible because there will be a permissions
Mm-hmm.
issue.
Okay.
Okay.
And mostly only sales related reports?
Yes. So we will go back to the administrator and check the permissions related to this role. Okay.
Okay.
Mm, mm, mm. Set user roles, manage roles. So now sales person,
Mm-hmm.
customize. Uh, so when we customize a role, okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
so we can mm, give our own name to a certain role, okay. But
Okay.
since we are clicking on the customize button, we can't change the center type. Okay.
Center diagram. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
center type will be the remain will be the sales center only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
but we can have some like these restrictions or give permissions
Mm-hmm.
like subsidiary restrictions. Okay, uh, whether this particular role has the access for all subsidiaries or only
Mm-hmm.
for the user subsidiary. User subsidiary means the for example, when I create your employee into the NetSuite, I have
Mm-hmm.
to attach a subsidiary related to it,
Right. Right.
right? So the user can have access is only on subsidiary,
Right. Right.
right? Mm. So this is related to the authentication, like mostly related to the security features in the NetSuite,
Mm-hmm.
whether
Mm-hmm.
two-factor authentication required or not,
Mm-hmm.
uh, what will be the duration of trusted device. So all
Right.
this, yeah. So now
Okay.
there are some standard transactions coming there.
Permissions. Okay.
Okay, like in permissions, we get the transaction reports, list,
Mm-hmm.
okay, setup, custom record. Okay. Now,
Mm-hmm.
if I check the report, only these reports are available. Okay, which are related to
Right.
sales.
Yes. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
And transactions, we have these transactions. Let's say I want to edit any other transaction, then
Mm-hmm.
we'll go there, add any transaction and give the
Mm-hmm.
permissions. So what are these permissions level? Okay, permissions level you can see it is view, create, edit, full.
Oh, you
Okay,
create.
so view means only view, you can view.
Mm-hmm.
Create that you can create a new transaction, but you can't edit that after creating.
So you can create a new transaction, and then you cannot edit.
Yes, correct. Absolutely correct.
Oh, okay.
In
Okay.
edit, you can only edit, but not create.
Mm-hmm. I see. I
And full
see. Okay.
and in full it's everything.
Full is everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So under the restrictions, we have what restrictions you want to like. So basically, restrictions is giving only on the segment type.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
class, department, warehouse. So you can
Mm-hmm.
have that. Okay, user can't view this particular classes or this particular department or locations.
Yeah.
So we can restrict them to here. Forms are the uh, basically transaction forms which we use. Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
you remember when we go to the transaction, there is a custom form field there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So we can give the user access also that,
Mm-hmm.
okay, which type of form a user can like see in the NetSuite.
Oh,
So,
okay. Okay.
okay. So under the forms, all categories are there. Transaction, item, custom record, bill of material, time, entity, CRM.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Okay.
okay, searches are there, searches which are safe searches, whether any access is given to the safe searches. Okay,
Okay.
preference is there for any particular dashboard you want to give to this particular role. Okay, so dashboard means,
Mm-hmm.
uh, okay, so this home
Spring. Yeah.
page, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
basically, one can design the dashboard himself or herself, or a, a administrator can create a dashboard according to different profiles
Mm-hmm.
and publish and attach with the role.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hmm. But again, what will happen? Each automatically each like role has different dashboard also. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
for sales, there will be some standard dashboard. For project, there will be some standard dashboard in the
Right. Right.
NetSuite. And further,
Mm-hmm.
you can design also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
mhm. So this is a role also. Uh, Now, again, coming on to the sales center role only,
Mm-hmm.
let's say I want to have that my salesperson can view projects also and
Yeah.
check the project reports and allocation
Mhm.
schedule, allocation resources, etc. in the project. So,
Right.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
by going into the customize button, I can provide the permissions related to the setup, list, uh, transactions, everything. I can uh, like update the permissions, but
Okay.
always there will be some limitations. Okay, because
Yeah.
the center type is sales center. So
Right.
so all of the features related to the project management will not be uh, like completely run with that role. Okay,
Oh, okay. Okay. I
okay.
see.
You can able to view reports, but maybe there is a case that okay, this report is uh, visible or can be customized differently with the administrator role, with the
Mm.
project manager role, but this role like NetSuite
Yeah.
have some limitations. So we have to understand this like particular center type also, in which
Mhm.
we are like creating this. We are
And like, so
customizing the
if
role.
you want any extra permission on those, then
Yeah,
you
we
can
ob-
contact
o-
NetSuite. Yeah.
yeah, obviously we can give. Okay, we
Hmm.
can give permissions from there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
now we can create our own new role also.
Mm, mm.
Okay, instead of customizing the standard roles, we can go to new role. We can define the
Oh, you
center
can
type.
just okay,
Yeah,
create any. Okay.
we
Okay.
can like let's say I want to create on the classic center type. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm.
but in this particular uh, method by creating a new role, the challenge will
Mm-hmm.
be all the setup, all the list. You have
You
to
have to do everything.
yeah, you
Mm-hmm.
have to add everything.
Enter. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So, what's the best practice usually? People try to stick with the standard roles.
Uh, wha- See, each customers we have to customize the role only. Okay.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Uh, but what happens is we customize the standard roles, give the unique name. Okay.
Okay.
Because
Mm.
by customizing the standard roles, we get some automatic permissions
Right.
and
Right.
automatic setup. So we can add or delete according to that, according to the uh,
Okay.
uh, requirement. Also,
I see.
like if you ask the customer, okay,
Mm.
uh,
Mm.
okay, mm, give us the list of the permissions you want to give,
Mm-hmm. Right.
or you want to associate with a certain type of role.
Mm.
Basically, we will never get in detail. Okay.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
If,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. If you are going to work as in with a let's say a alliance
Mm-hmm.
partner in US, or you are working with
Mm-hmm.
Oracle and you are doing the NetSuite implementations. So
Mm-hmm.
no
Mm.
customer will provide the details in the like
For the
these
roles.
roles. Okay, so you have to basically you will get the requirement, but in like short, but not
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
detail. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Like a customer can say, okay, I need I need accounts payable role. So
Mm.
you are aware that what permissions you need to give in the accounts payable role. He can create
Right.
the user can create the purchase order, user can create the vendor bill, etc.
Mm-hmm.
So we will create create a role according to that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Now in the accounting terminology, if I go back again to the roles list. So you can see there is a AP clerk role and there is a accountant role,
Right. Mm-hmm.
right? So both this AP clerk and AR clerk, like they are different. If I check the AP clerk,
Mhm.
AP clerk is not having this. Sorry, AP clerk has like bills, purchase order,
Yeah.
okay, uh, all this transaction. If I go to list,
Mm.
AP clerk can create vendor also.
Mhm.
And if I go to accountant role, there are some extra permissions there, okay,
Yeah.
related to the amortization sector. So,
Mm.
so roles, so permissions are also according to some designation type also. Okay. Mm,
Okay. Okay.
mm. Like you can see if in the accountant role, uh, approval related mm, transactions are also there.
Right. Right.
But
Right.
there won't be any transaction in
They don't,
this
they don't have it. Yeah. Yeah.
in a particular.
Yeah.
So this was about the roles in the NetSuite. Let's
Okay.
check the manage users. Okay. Okay. So from here we can manage the users. Okay.
Mhm.
We can filter which particular role is associated with how many users. Okay. Like
Okay.
like administrator, there are seven
Mm.
are there. Then
Mm.
if I check
Yeah.
the let's say CFO role, there's no one with the CFO role. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
salesperson support. Okay. Sales. Yeah. So
Mm.
sales is this Roger
Mm.
Brown. Okay.
Right.
Right. So we can check with the according to the role how many users are there. But it can be multiple also. Okay. Like if
Okay.
I associated my role with mm, let's say with my user in my employee I add
Roles.
five
Mhm.
roles, then it will
Mm.
my name will appear five times here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this
Different.
26 is not meaning like 26 access have been given.
Yes, users are there. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's like that. Um, it can
Mm.
be like five employees or it can be 10 employees.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see.
Okay.
Okay. And only super admin can add the users, I think, right? Manage users.
Yes, yes. Only the
Okay.
administrator can create a roles or we can provide the this particular permissions also to
Okay.
a custom role.
Your customer. Okay.
We can provide the permissions, okay, that this like creating the roles or added the roles or creating the user, we can
Mm-hmm.
provide the permissions. Mm,
Okay. Okay.
okay. Now under user roles, we get the uh, like view login audit trail.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if we want to compare any differences between the two roles, we can compare.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we can no, okay. Let's say I want to compare the differences, okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, between this accountant, AP clerk, and accountant. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so base role is AP clerk and it is accountant.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Uh, oh, I can multi-select here.
Oh, you can multi-select here. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And only show differences, not all.
Mm.
So click on this show. So we can have the differences.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This
So
may, okay, so it shows for various roles, the
yes, for
permission.
various roles. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
it might happen that a certain uh, transaction or certain record is working in some role, but not other. But you are not able to identify what is the error. Okay, what permission you
Yeah.
need to give. Okay, so you
Mm.
can basically compare the roles. Then you are
Okay.
able to identify that.
Oh, okay. Okay. I
Okay.
see.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is my login audit trail. Mm,
Okay.
login in login audit trail, I can check
All the changes.
all the logins by the users. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
when a particular user has login, when a particular employee has login into the NetSuite, and from which role he has login.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Mhm. So it is to control the employee logins, whether a particular user is working or not, or has login into the NetSuite or not. So
Yeah.
we can check from the login audit trail. Also, we can create our own safe search.
Save search. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Adding other columns as section.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. Now the third option under that is uh, the user access reset. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Being an administrator, okay, uh,
Mm-hmm.
the administrator work is to monitor the system, monitor the NetSuite,
Right.
provide the access to the new users. Also,
Yeah.
the administrator job is to, if someone has blocked his her account, so
Mm-hmm.
administrator either can reset the password, or if the reset password is also not feasible, like
Mm-hmm.
there's some error in resetting the password, so we can access the user account. Okay, we will
Mm-hmm.
edit the user email here. Okay, so these
Oh,
are
and
the
then you
some,
initiate
yeah,
the password.
these are the desired action what we want to do. Let's say
Okay.
I want to initiate a password reset. So user
Yeah.
will get the email, that a link
Mhm.
with the in an email to reset the password.
Reset the password. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's say uh, user remember the password but forget the security questions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and when a user try to log in, the NetSuite is asking the security questions.
Mm-hmm.
So we can clear the security questions answer. Okay.
Okay.
If the account is locked, we can unlock,
Mm.
or if the user forget the 2FA settings. Okay. So 2FA means additional authentication for security
Oh,
purpose.
okay. The
Okay.
multi-factor. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
two-factor authentication. So
Okay.
generally, earlier, the two authentication factor authentication means that you get a OTP in your mobile.
Mm-hmm. Right. Right.
But now that has been changed since last year. Now there is a Google Authenticator app.
There is a mobile authenticator app.
Yes, yes. So either you can install the Google Authenticator app, Microsoft Authenticator app, or Oracle Authenticator app.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
By installing all three, you can like have the authenticator OTP on your mobile.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
what happens is when I create a new access, okay,
Mm. Mm.
and so once the user login with the new access,
Mm.
first of all, NetSuite will ask the security questions. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
And you can skip that security questions up to 5 times.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But beyond 5 times, you have to update the security questions. You can't, after five, like skipping the 5 times, you
Mm.
can't skip another time. You have to update security questions.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
same goes, and after updating the security questions, next page, we go on to the two-factor authentication.
Two factor. Okay. Okay.
Okay, same there. We can skip to 5 times, but after five, we have to set up the 2FA. And once we are there on the 2FA page, there we will get a barcode
Mm-hmm.
which we will scan up in any of the authenticator app which I tell you.
Authenticator.
It
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it can be
Okay.
Google, it can be Microsoft or Oracle.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Mm.
once that particular barcode is scanned, uh, you so the account is linked with that app and you can get the OTP.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So even that 2FA settings are like uh forgot, or like user
Mm.
change the uninstall the app or changes the app.
Yeah.
So we can reset that also.
Reset that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mm.
So this is about the all about the user roles. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
since we have 10 minutes, let's check on the support also. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So how we can raise the ticket into this to the customer care? Okay, to the
Mm-hmm.
NetSuite support team.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And it's usually the administrator who will do it, the support tickets.
No, other users can also raise the support
Okay.
tickets also. Uh,
Mhm.
there are permissions related to support also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, but most probably there is a role also. Okay, even let's say I'm an administrator. Okay, but until I assign a role to myself, I can't raise the ticket.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay.
Okay. Uh, so let's say Roger Brown,
Mm-hmm.
they access. So there are two roles.
Two roles are there.
One is new, one is old, but we will assign
Yeah.
both. Okay.
Oh, okay. Mm.
Uh,
Yeah.
Save.
Mm.
Uh, or you have to log out and again log in to
Mm-hmm.
have the changes. Wait.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, so we will go to suite answers,
Okay.
with context support. Yeah.
Mm.
Now let's say uh, chat with our NetSuite virtual support assistant, ask an expert from the NetSuite support community or create support case. Okay. I will go
Okay.
to the create support case. Okay. Uh, okay. Might be this particular account is not having the support since it's a
Yeah.
demo account.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we are not having this support like feature there, but
Yeah.
the like steps are there like that only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to go to the suite answers and click on the contact support and
So,
the third option. So here you will like once you scroll down, there will be an option to create a ticket.
mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. And so from where you can create a ticket, sorry, once you create a ticket, the status of the ticket you can create from the here NetSuite account center also. Right now
Mm.
it's showing not enough permissions, but there will be a link there, link to go to another page
Okay.
where you can see the case raise and other things.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Also, administrator can check from here also, like case status, case priority,
Status.
uh,
Okay.
case profiles.
Mm-hmm. And usually, how many days do they take to get back? Is it usually faster?
NetSuite.
Yeah.
Uh,
Or
like
it depends on the
it depends
problem.
on the issue basically, but a normal acceptance mail, like so there will be a one like system generated email that thank you for creating the ticket.
Yeah.
A user will be a support engineer will be reassigned to your
Will be in
request,
touch with.
and
Mm-hmm.
malab, he she will contact you. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
so that system generated email we receive immediately once we click on the submit button of our
Right.
ticket,
Mm-hmm.
and uh, like depending on the time zone, you
Okay.
get you you have been we will get contacted by a support engineer
Okay.
which matlab, they will ask for some other details. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, as per their SLAs, they have some standard questionnaire. Mm,
Okay.
okay, like for example, like you explain everything in your ticket itself, like what
Yeah.
issue you are facing or what is the problem in the net. So even with the screen source, even with the attachment, okay.
Right. Right.
Even after that, there is a standard procedure. Okay, they will send you a 6 7 questions. Okay, uh,
Mm-hmm.
like whether we are getting this issue first time. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
this is this issue is in which account, sandbox or production. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
what are the
Yeah.
steps you have done to get this particular error?
Mm-hmm.
So there are
Mm-hmm.
some standard questions which we have to answer.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, and after that, like uh, it gets started. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You will receive a call also. Most of the time,
Oh, okay. Okay.
phone call is their first priority.
Phone call. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Uh, like I do receive call like from the Philippines. So mostly for the Asia, like
Oh,
for the
from Philippines it is? Okay.
yes,
Usually.
yes. So
Mm.
there are like different teams are there
Yeah.
for like if you are in the US time zone, so obviously you will be contacted by the teams in the US.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
But
Mm.
since we are in the Indian time zone or let's say another time zone,
Yeah.
which is close to the Philippines time zone.
Philippines. Yes.
So
Yeah.
Philippines, like for the Asia Pacific,
Mm.
Philippines is the main
Is
support hub.
usually coming.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So we will get the calls from there.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
So we go to the sweet answers. So what are the sweet answers? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so, so there are a couple of things. In NetSuite, either we can read into the help. If we are not
Mm-hmm.
able to identify something, we
Yeah.
can we can go to the NetSuite help.
Yeah.
Okay. Even with the help, we are not able to understand few things. Then we will go to sweet answers. Okay.
Sweet
So it
answers
was
is with help only, right?
yeah.
Like,
Yeah. It's basically the answers for multiple topics are there.
okay.
Much more larger than the sweet help. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Be-
I see.
Because sweet help is the standard, you can say, uh, booklet type. Okay, it's a
Mhm.
training material. Sweet help,
Right. Right. Right.
right? Basically, you can read about a certain mm, a certain module or certain topic, but
Mm-hmm.
even there is uh, in the sweet help some details are missing. So that
Mm-hmm.
detail you can get in the sweet answer. For
Right.
example, I want to have some of a subsidiary navigator of a subsidiary
Mhm.
not correctly displayed. So there will be number of results there.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, for that subsidiary navigator.
Mm-hmm.
So we can all write something more and we can define this results and we can
Okay.
click that.
Yeah. Okay.
So we will get in something in the sweet answer also.
Okay. Seems a pretty big, like a lot of data in here.
Yes, yes. So
Yeah.
these answers are the basically updated by the NetSuite community only.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, some are provided by NetSuite and other by the NetSuite community.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm. Uh, okay, what else is left? Mm, I think that's it for today.